Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on Nintendo Switch OLED. Unfortunately, Roblox is not officially available on the Nintendo Switch, including the OLED model. Nintendo and Roblox Corporation have not announced any plans for a native Switch application. This means you cannot download Roblox directly from the eShop or play it like other Switch games. However, there are some indirect methods that players sometimes explore to access Roblox content on their Switch, which we will discuss. It's important to understand these are not official solutions. While there isn't a direct app, some players try unofficial workarounds. One common method involves using cloud streaming services. These services allow you to stream PC games, including Roblox, to your Nintendo Switch's web browser. You would typically need a subscription to such a service and a strong, stable internet connection. Keep in mind that the experience can be inconsistent, with potential lag or visual quality issues depending on your network and the service provider. This is not a guaranteed or officially supported way to play. If you decide to explore cloud streaming, several key requirements are necessary for even a chance of success. First, a very strong and stable internet connection is paramount. Ideally, a wired connection or 5 GHz Wi-Fi. Second, you'll need an active subscription to a cloud gaming service that supports streaming PC games. Third, you'll often need to access the Nintendo Switch's hidden web browser, as there isn't a dedicated app for these services. Be aware that Nintendo does not officially support this browser for general use. For the best and safest Roblox experience, we highly recommend playing on officially supported platforms. These include personal computers, mobile devices such as phones and tablets, and Xbox consoles. Attempting unofficial methods on your Nintendo Switch OLED can lead to a less than ideal experience, with potential for poor performance, input lag, and even security vulnerabilities if you're not careful. Always prioritize official and secure channels to enjoy Roblox as intended and protect your personal information and device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.